What's up? I'm attorney Derek Gray of Graystar Legal. We are a criminal law firm located here in Winston-Salem, North Carolina, and this is our FAQ series. Okay, today's question is also going to deal with driving while impaired, or DWI charges for short. That question is, if I've been charged with a DWI, what will happen if I refuse the blood or breath test? Okay, so first and foremost, we always start with the law. In this case, it's going to be North Carolina General Statute 20-16.2, which deals with refusals. In the situation that you are offered a breath test and you decide to refuse it, separate and apart from the criminal charge, the DMV will suspend your license for 1 year if they deem the officer to have reasonable grounds to believe that you committed an implied consent offense. So reasonable grounds is the same as probable cause. Now, what you have to be aware of is this is separate and apart from the criminal charge. So it's not as if you have to be convicted of it. This can happen during the process of you actually just being charged. The cases can end up being dismissed after the fact. You can be found not guilty and your license will still be revoked for a year. There is a process by which you can have a DMV hearing in order to, I guess, fight against the fact that, the officer's claiming you refuse. Sometimes they'll equate certain mannerisms, or if you don't blow fully, or if you don't blow hard enough to get a result, they'll log that as a refusal. And that's something you can do a DMV hearing about and actually try to fight it and get the DMV to overturn that year-long revocation. But the long and short of it is, if you refuse a blood or breath test and the state and the officer have reasonable grounds to believe that you committed an implied consent offense, your license will be suspended for 1 year. Guys, I hope that answers your question. I wanted to keep it short and sweet. Feel free to check out the statute again. It's North Carolina General Statute 20-16.2. If you have any follow-up or further questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment below or give us a call. Y'all take care.